Hey there, fellow craftsmen and woodworkers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools to take your projects to the next level. Today, we're diving into the world of precision with the multifunctional angle ruler combination square. If you're serious about accuracy and getting the job done right the first time, this is the tool for you. Let's talk features. This combo square is built with quenched and tempered blades, so you know it's tough enough to handle whatever you throw at it. But that's not all. It also boasts a spirit level on the square and protractor head, a 180-degree goniometer, and a center head. Plus, with stainless steel ruler scales in both metric and imperial measurements, you'll never have to second-guess your numbers again. But what really sets this tool apart is its versatility. With depth, height, and marking gauges, center, square, and protractor heads, as well as a spirit level inscriber, it's a comprehensive toolkit all in one. The beveled edge extension blade, roller knob, and fine adjustment make it ideal for measuring the inner and outer corners of parts, while the convenient and practical design saves space on your workbench and keeps everything tidy. Craftsmen, this is the tool that will take your projects to the next level. Say goodbye to second-guessing and hello to precision. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the multifunctional angle ruler combination square is a game changer. Don't settle for anything less than perfect. Click the link in the description and get yours today. Trust us, you won't regret it.